Guys, good morning. So, hindi ko pala sa inyo na tour kahapon yung aming apartment. Ano ba tawag dito? Hotel. Kagabi or kahapon nung pagpunta namin dito. So, dito konti lang yung mga nakatira. Hindi katulad dun sa hostel kung saan ako tumira dati. Pero mamaya lilipat din kami kasi this is just only for a night. So, dito kami nagkaroon sa 202. And here you go. Ito yung toilet niya. Yung toilet niya na walang lock. Ayan. Sira yung lock niya. So, dito kami naliligo. And, yeah. Here's Kuya Ronnie. So, dyan lang. Ito dalawang bed. Okay. So, ganun lang. Ganun lang kaliit. Pagkatapos, ayan, pag nakita mo dito, may bintana kaso hindi siya ganun kita yung nasa labas at umulan kagabi. So medyo magulo kami dito ni Kuya Ronnie. Pero sarap ng tulog namin dito kagabi. So hindi ko din namalaya na nakatulog na pala ako ng mahimbing. Okay, iyak natin. So let's go! So alas 12 na at lilipat na kami ni Kuya Ronnie ng from ganito mag-hostel kami. So sa hostel para siyang bed space, okay? And also we had a great night last night with Milan, with Ellie, and yung kasama din ni Ellie. So ayun, talagang nakakapagod. Ang aga pala ng sarado ng mga bars dito, like 1 AM sarado na sila, and ayun, napaka-discipline. So now prepare lang kami. Sige. So guys, here we go. We're done dito sa hotel na to. Sige Kuya Ronnie, open mo. At aalis na kami. Hindi yan. So, sige, thank you so much dito. Wala tayong nakalimutan? Okay naman. Okay, so let's go. Let's move. Ayun, sisi. Okay. So sige guys, bye. So lipat naman kami Kuya Ronnie. So guys, ibang-iba talaga ang Thailand sa umaga saka sa gabi. So dito sa lugar na to, dito kami kagabi kumain, dito kami uminom, at nagta-transform talaga siya sa gabi. Sa umaga, ayan, tindahan ng mga damit, mga souvenirs, o diba, kakaiba siya. Pero sa gabi, boom, party talaga dito. Ibang-iba talaga sa gabi. Tignan mo si parang pag umaga ka naglakad, hindi mo kaakalain na sa gabi ganun pala siya. Na?
Ano, grabe. Nagulat ako. Wait, kakain tayo, di ba?
Hanap tayo ng mga food. Hey, what's that? What is that? Oh, nice. Sweet? So guys, dito kami ni Kuya Ronnie sa Eskinita dadaan. So tatry lang namin. So kung ma-hold up pa si Kuya Ronnie o hindi, or kung gano'n maka-safe dito sa Thailand. Actually kahit Eskinita dito is talagang nakakatawa, may mga tindahan din sila. So dito nagpe-prepare. So adi ka. Ayun, oh no. Yung mga titinda nila sa gabi, nandito yung mga nila, gamit nila. Kasi nga, sabi ko sa inyo sa gabi, puro kainan. Sa umaga hindi ganun puro kainan. Puro ano siya, puro party na sa gabi, inuman, kainan. Sa umaga, puro damit. Ayun po, kasi si Kuya Ronnie hindi nag-backpack. Nagmaleta po kasi siya. Parang hindi, dito pa ba yun? Bakit wala mga puno-puno dito?
Mga puno.
Ito. Dito na ba yun? We're going to ride tuk-tuk.
I have feeling for you. Samyot Stadium. Samyot Station.
Same.
Samyot Station.
Yeah. Okay, subway.
Subway. How much?
150.
Oh,
150.
see, going there, it's only 194 baht.
Big.
100, that's fine.
120, okay. Yeah.
100 only. See, going to Pier 21, Grab is 194. Tuk-tuk is expensive.
Samyot Station. Okay. Whose station?
Which station? See,
Yeah.
I will search it here. What's the station? What's the name?
Samyot.
Sanam?
No, no, no.
How do you spell that?
สามหยอด
3
ไง
giờ 3 giờ
สามหยอด
Anh giá hành giá bơi phơi phải ra đây
สามหยอด
Can you put?
เก็บราคา
SAM
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Big station.
See, only 88 going there. You to 150. So better to get Grab.
Oh, different นะ you know with the tuk-tuk with the technique quickly
Brother, what are you selling?
sticky
Mango sticky rice? How much?
50 baht
Oh, 50 baht. So we're going to get this mango sticky rice.
negative
So guys, naghanap kami ni Kuya Roddy ng kakainan. So ngayon nakabili na kami ng mango sticky rice. And ikot-ikot kami dito sa isang street kung saan kami kakain. Oh, yung breakfast nila pang ano. Parang hindi siya Thai naman siya. Here's our food. Sawadee ka. Thank you. Kapon ka.
เอาจานแบ่งให้หน่อยนะ2 ใบ
Napaka-cute na.
แล้วก็ถ้วยอะไรอีก
ano pa yung isa? With
Oh my God, ang dami namin pagkain. Ang sarap. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. So guys, we just finished eating here at this masarap na restaurant. Ito nga, Sawadee Terrace. Yeah, thank you. And masarap yung food nila. Wala akong masabi. So ngayon, lilipat na kami sa hostel kung saan it's gonna be our second night ni Kuya Ronnie para naman maiba yung ambience. Saka doon kasi medyo ano siya, patay. So doon sa pupuntahan namin yung baba. Thank you. Sawadee ka. So yung hi, mashallah. Sayaw kika. Okay. So yung pupuntahan namin ngayon sa baba is ano siya, pwede kang uminom, pwede kang mag-party. Saka napakalapit niya sa pinaka party talaga na mga places. So doon kami ngayon ni Kuya Ronnie. And here's Kuya Ronnie. Ay, gawa sa kano. So dito, ayan. Actually maganda yung time na pagpunta namin dito kasi hindi siya ganun kainit, no?
oh, hindi.
Saka kanina umuulan-ulan pero ambon lang. So
Pero kahapon grabe ang humid.
oo, humid kahapon. Ngayon is okay lang. Saka kami, kasi ayoko ma-feel ni Kuya Ronnie na para kami tourist. Dapat kuhan kami dito, mga traveler. So, yung mga suot lang pambahay, lalakad ka katulad nilo. Pero si Kuya Ronnie, ayan, di ba? Galing sa airport. So, ginagaya natin yung mga puting nakakasama natin. Kasi first time ni Kuya Ronnie yung ganito, yung parang backpacker lang na ano. So ano masasabi mo naman? Kasi ganyan talaga, pag tourist ka kadalasan, hindi mo makakausap or makakasama yung mga ibang tao, no?
Oo.
Kasi parang ano ka, feeling mo mayaman ka. Ay!
Chichi.
Hindi, parang ano diba? Pero pag ganito, sa tinitiran din namin, madami ka mami-meet, madami ka makakasama. Alam mo ba, yung kagabi si Milan, one lang namin yon. Parang lumabas sa hotel, oo, sa labas sa hotel. Pagkatapos, oh, saan ka? Ganyan-ganyan. O sabi niya, sama ako sa inyo. That's it. Tapos kasama na namin siya the whole night. Kaso pag talagang traveler ka, iba-iba yung mga kasama mo everyday. Kasi sila din is katulad ni Ellie. Si Ellie is nagta-travel since January. So, anong September. So from January hanggang September, 10 countries na daw yung binisit niya. And then, kami, ngayon pa lang, isa pa lang. So sila yung mga nakasama namin. So nakakatuwa lang, di ba? So iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang nationality, iba-ibang istorya ng buhay ang mapapakinggan mo, di ba? And then parang ito kasing kuwan na to, magiging open.
Wait.
Ay! Sorry. Naka-red, naka-green pala. Sorry, dahil sa mag-vlog, muntik pa tayong mabangga. So, ayun, magiging open ka talaga sa culture ng iba, ano kuya?
Oo.
Tapos yung mga ginagawa nila.
Pwede nakahubad.
Thank you, thank you. So, iba-iba. Ano sabi mo?
I mean, yung nakahubad.
Pogi?
Pwede pala nakahubad.
Akala ko pogi nakahubad. Ay! So, ayun guys. Basta. It's my second time in Thailand. And syempre, iba-iba pa rin yung experience mo pag ganito. Kasi dati, medyo malayo ako dito sa Khao San. And ngayon sabi ko kay Ronnie, dito kami sa Khao San mag-book. Kasi hindi naman tayo nagsisino dito, no? Kasi talagang kuwan siya. Kumbaga ito yung pinaka-center nila sa party. Pagkatapos yung pinakagusto ko dito puntahan soon is yung basaan, yung ano tawag doon, Songkran party that's gonna be on January. April pala siya. Okay, so sige, lakad muna kami ni Kuya Ronnie. Pupuntahan namin ang aming hotel. Dito ba yun? Hindi.
Sa kabila.
Okay, so hanapin natin. So hostel yun. And let's go!
Let's go!
So guys, Espinita yung aming titiran for today's video. So it's gonna be for one night. And then magmo-move naman muna kami. Pero pag okay siya, we can naman extend na.
Extend, oh.
Yeah. So eto ang lugar. Dito talaga kahit Espinita, hindi nakakatakot, no?
Parang every corner mayroong...
Oo, saka yung mga police nagkalat din dito, nakakatawa. So, ayan.
Grabe mo, naamoy mo yun.
Ano yun? Ano yung amoy? Weed? Oh.
Grabe
So,
mo.
si Kuya Ronnie, alam na niya yung amoy. Ay!
Alam ko lang.
Nakaraan hindi niya alam yung amoy kasi parang
Normal lang.
hindi niya alam. Okay.
Yung pala ang amoy talaga.
Nung paglagi kang dumadaan, malalaman mo na yung amoy parang, oh, alam na niya. Ay, nahanap-hanap na niya.
Grabe.
Hi, sawadika. So, this is the Revolution by The Bliss, pero it's 80 kilometers pa. Kala ko kahapon, eto na yung kanyang hotel. So, hindi pala. We're going to move from here 80 kilometers. So, see you. Ang cool din ng hotel na to. Niyong. Oh, look at this. Ang cool. So, nakita lang namin tong hotel na to dahil doon kay Ellie. Kasi si Ellie is dito dito siya tumutuloy, and Ellie is Chinese. So look at the daan. Masikip lang siya pero masaya dito. O, diba? Pwede may picture tayo dito, kuya. No? Later, habibi. Ako naman picturean mga kalita. Sige.
Oh, yes.
So, eto na guys, kung saan kami tutuloy sa The Bliss. Okay ba kayo, Ronnie?
Okay na, okay.
Yeah, so tingnan nyo sa baba ng kanyang
Flag.
yeah, pride. Nako po. So, eto. Saan yung reception? I welcome. Oh, sige. Let's go inside. Hi! So, hello po. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Hi, Bob.
Where are you from?
I'm from here.
You're local. Yes. We're from Dubai, but we are from Philippines. Yeah.
Oh,
Hey. Yes, sawadika. Sawadika. Hey.
So here is very near the Khao San.
Yeah.
So that's why every night it's gonna be very loud.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah.
Okay, is that okay?
We're chilling.
So I want to make sure the place. So
Yeah.
Yes, they didn't know that.
We're here last night actually.
Oh, really?
We're drinking here. That's why we just moved
Tonight is
today.
a bucket Olympic. That one.
Bakit Olympic?
Yeah.
What's with Bucket Olympic?
Winners get to
Karaoke night. So what we're going to do with the Bucket
get
Olympic?
a free bucket for sure.
It's like we have
How can we get a free bucket if we are
You
not?
have to win the game.
Yeah, we
Ah.
have. So we're gonna make the games, like make the team together, and then we have a lot of games for you together, and then we have like the point for like per team, and then if you one win it, you're gonna get a big one.
Whoa! And what time it will start?
So we're gonna start like around 8:30.
8:30.
Yes.
Okay, Kuya, do you think you're gonna win it?
Yeah, of course. Why not? Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Also,
Okay.
we have a family dinner every day. You can sign up if you want to have a dinner with us. It's for free.
Oh, family dinner. Wow,
Yeah.
that's really cool.
It's a Thai food.
Yeah, it's Thai
So
food. Really good.
Tonight.
every night,
And what time is it?
7 p.m.
Where is it located?
So
Here?
we're gonna be right here. We're gonna sit outside together, eat together.
Magdalong
2 days?
tonight.
2 nights. I think,
Every night.
no. I mean, because actually we just booked for 1 night and we want to extend for 1 more night. Should we book it online or you're gonna book it the same?
It's same, but maybe if like you want, you can book online as well. But if you wanna stay same bed, you have to make sure you like,
Book it online.
Yeah,
the
same
same room time.
Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is his name. Can you read it?
Yes, my name.
His name.
What's your name? What's your name?
There, at the right.
Ronnie?
Kish.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Can you change?
Just slash it. That's okay.
Ronnie? Ronnie. How do you say your name? Boys?
Tayo yung pangalan mo. That's all. Ibigay sa'yo na nanay mo eh.
No.
Kishu.
Ah.
Or change it. That's his
Screen name.
AKA, yeah.
Girlfriend name?
Screen name.
Ah.
Screen name.
Are you rapper?
No.
He's an artist.
Ah, okay. So, okay, so we have reception here 24 hours. If you need something to help something, just come at the reception, okay? And then also now follow my friend.
Okay.
So my friend, the young boy over there, he gonna take you to the room.
Thank you. How are you, Kim? Hello.
So tonight we have the Olympics. Yeah. If you look at the weekly activities, you can see over there. Do you need help with your bags?
I know. I get you.
Right. So if you just follow me upstairs, I'll show you to your room.
Do you think we're going to enjoy here?
Yes. It's very nice.
Where are you from? Are you a local here?
No, I'm from Argentina.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah. So
You speak Portuguese?
No, not Portuguese.
Argentina, but you look like a local here.
That's cool. Thank you.
Hi, sawadika. So, which floor are we at?
The fourth floor. That's why I offered to carry your bags.
That's fine. Argentina.
Oh, sorry,
Mabuhay.
Australia. I'm up from Argentina, Australia. Sorry.
Oh,
Sorry about that one.
no worries.
If you just follow me through this way.
Okay. Nakapagod ah. Nabawasan ako na 1 kilo dun.
So you should be here. I
Okay.
don't know where I can reach now.
No, that's okay.
But this one's your key.
Okay.
Your bathroom's, your toilet is on the left and your shower's on the right.
Okay. Yeah.
Tonight at 6:30.
Ah, this is the shower. Oh my god, look at the shower. It's very cool. I like the view in the shower. Ang cool ng shower nila. Yeah, thank you so much.
No problem.
Do you also have free water here?
Yes, downstairs, opposite from the pool table, there's a bottle of water, a big gallon of water, sorry, that you can fill up your water bottles.
Okay, thank you so
Awesome.
much.
Thanks. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask myself or the downstairs staff.
No worries, we're gonna do that.
Do you have any questions?
Questions?
Could be anything around here.
I don't
have the answer.
Can
Anyway, we can
he
just reach
bring
out if
someone
we need
here?
something, right?
Awesome.
Can he bring someone here? Just kidding, we're not gonna bring someone.
Because it is a private room, theoretically, yes, you can. Dormitory, no.
Okay, lock the door. Lock the door. Yeah, we just bring you. Just kidding.
Thanks, Billy.
But it's cool, mas okay to, no? Simple. Sa gusto ko yung bintana niya meron tayo. Oh, you lock it. You have to go inside when you lock it. Just kidding. Let's go. Okay guys, ito yung bagong room namin ni Kuya. So we just move here and baka magdalawang araw kami dito kasi mukhang cool talaga at may mga games pa sila, no?
Oo. Tsaka free ang dinner.
Yeah, let's go! So guys, dito sa hotel namin, tinan mo. Ito yung bed at dito na kami magtutubrush. Come on. Hawang natutulog si kay Ronnie. Brush dito. Guys, so medyo mainit ngayon. Time check, it's 3 PM in the afternoon. PM na afternoon pa. So, dito kami ngayon, papunta kami ngayon sa Sham Mall. So siguro madami mall yun, no?
Oo.
Kasi Siam.
Malls.
Oo.
Siam ang mga mall.
Siam, S-I-A-M, pero syempre Siam Malls, no? Ano kaya yung pansampu? So dito, syempre hindi rin mawawala yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Pero kahit may mga ganito sila, mga disiplinado pa rin, no?
Oo, mababait.
Mababait
Hindi
sila.
sila nangaharas.
Ay, grabe ka naman. Sa Pilipinas ba inaharas ka? Ay. Okay, so mag-grab na lang kami going there kasi sayang yung oras at mainit. So, soon na kami magbabas. Okay, at magte-train. Bye!
Okay.
Yay! Ang cool talaga ng Eskinita dito sa Thailand. Eh. Saka yung mga puno nila dito talagang parang iniingatan nila. Oh. Saka madaming kainan. Hello, sawadika. So, saka pa nagsabi ko sa wadika, lahat sila sa wadika din. Kapun ka. Kung sa Pilipinas to, medyo tatakbo-takbo ka na sa mga Eskinita.
Habulang gahasa.
Kaya nga, saka dami pa rin nagtitinda kahit mga Eskinita. Sawadika. Sawadika. So, lakad-lakad lang po dito. Hala. Medyo masungit yun.
Masungit siya.
Anong halaman to? Parang
Kalabasa.
kalabasa yun. So, let's go. Nabongga yung motor niya. Sa harap yung ano. Tinan mo. So guys, mas okay talaga dito na Grab yung gamitin pag magano ka, pag magta-travel ka, kasi medyo panigtuktok ka, medyo mahal yung mga binibigay nilang presyo. Pagkatapos siguro kung taxi hindi mo rin alam kung magkano, pero kasi when you're using Grab, so ano na siya, yung presyo nandun na, so hindi ka nila madadaya sa kung paano pumunta, di ba?
Oo.
Yeah.
Tulad kahapon, dinala tayo sa ibang lugar.
Kaya nga, nung nagtuktok kami, hindi kami binaba sa location kung saan talaga kami pupunta. Pero pag Grab, I recommend Grab talaga kasi specific in location kung saan ka dadalhin, kung saan ka pupunta at kung magkano. Okay, let's go. So we're waiting here. So guys, tatawid kami ni Kuya Ronnie. Medyo magulo ang daan. Sorry. Hindi namin naka-green. Naka-green pero tawid pa rin sila. Tawid, hindi namin alam. So magulo siya. Ayun o, green. Pero eto, matino naman sila. Ay! Bakit umandar na? Wala pa naman. So doon tayo. So hindi kami makita ng Grab. Kanina pinopromote ang Grab, tapos kinancel. So magbabas kami ngayon ni Kuya Ronnie going to Siam Mall. Let's go! So guys, nandito na kami sa bus at magtatanong tayo kasi hindi natin alam kung paano. Hello! Do you know this? 15, right? We're going to Siam. Is this 15? There's a number 15? 15 Rec, Ratchapwek. Yeah, bus there is. This one, 15. RBT, BRR Ratchapwek. It will stop here?
Yeah.
Which bus? Because we're going to Siam. This one. We're going to Siam Center. Siam Center. Which bus? Because it says here 15 Reg BRT Ratchapwek. So guys, nagtatanong-tanong kami kasi hindi namin alam kung paano pumunta doon.
Oh.
15.
Yeah.
1515. Okay. Tell us when it's here. There is a number 15 on the bus. That's okay.
I don't know.
You don't know. But
The bus. Yeah. 15.
coming. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Say hi. Sawadika. Okay. So, sabi niya 15 daw. So, hintayin na lang natin 15. Okay. So, hintayin na natin 15. 7 minutes. Okay, let's go. Yeah, shopping center.
Siam Center, okay.
Yes.
You walk.
Yeah.
Siam 2, 3 or half.
Bring us at the front, front. Say Siam Center, okay? Because we want to take photo.
Okay. Siam Center,
Yeah, okay. So guys, dapat mag-grab kami, dapat magbabas kami, pero nag-grab pa rin kami. Ay, hindi, nag-taxi kami, normal taxi na lang kasi hindi makita nung grab kanina yung location namin. Yes, we're from Philippines. Sawadika.
Thailand.
Yeah, same. Mabuhay.
No speak Thai?
No, I speak Thai. Only Sawadika.
Cebu, Manila.
Oh, Manila. Yeah, you have a lot of customer Filipino.
Philippine too much.
Philippine too much, Bangkok?
Teacher.
Teachers.
Teacher too much.
International school.
International
Teacher
school.
too much.
Yeah, okay. So madami daw dito teacher too much. Yeah, because they are teaching English dito sa Thailand. Right? Teaching English, right? In Thailand?
A little bit.
That, yeah. Try. So guys, we're here at Siam Paragon Mall. Kuya, dalasan mo. Oh, may pugi ata dito. Let's go.
There you go.
Yeah. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Siam station at pupunta kami sa Asok. So bibili kami ng ticket at ita-try namin ang kanilang train. Bye! Yay! Welcome! Tap mo lang. Yes! So doon na tayo sa ano, sa platform number 1. We're going up and ayun, platform number 1, nakikita ko na siya. So titingnan natin yung kanilang train kung kamukha ba siya sa Dubai.
Oo,
Tingin mo?
Sana.
Ibibig
Mukha
ba-
namang maayos tsaka malinis
Oo. Mukhang malinis nga dito. Mainit lang siya. Sa Dubai kasi laging aircon.
Ito talaga, kasi nasa labas.
Oo. Ito tayo. 1, platform number 1. Oy, bongga, tinan mo, oh. Nakakuhan siya. Naka-close pa siya and then mag-open lang.
Dapat ganyan sa Pilipinas, no? Walang pumapadang.
Dito tayo. So guys, dito kami galing sa Siam Paragon. So, namili lang dito si Kuya Ronnie ng shoes and yung bag niya. Tara! And so, train na po tayo.
Tatak kaya?
Dito tayo. Hindi, mamaya pa palabas. Sorry, palabasin muna natin sir. Eh, malamig siya Kuya Ronnie
Malamig?
Oo. Upo tayo. So, kamusta naman yung train nila?
Ang lamig.
Alamig no? Saka malinis din siya.
Malinis. So.
Yeah.
Tsaka walang pansinan. Parang gano'n.
Walang pansin.
Lahat sila naka-cellphone. Diba?
Eh, ganun naman
You know,
talaga normal. So, tingnan nyo guys yung kanilang ano dito. Train. Tada!
Tsaka linis, malinis.
Yeah. Pakinggan mo. Marhaba. The door is closing.
Alam ko, ako tulad.
Oh my god, 6 stations from here.
So we have to go and go that side.
So guys, lumagpas kami. Lumagpas kami ni Kuya. So 6 station na pala nakalipas. So, naasok kami. Yun. Para. So guys, nandito naman kami ngayon ni Kuya Ronnie sa Pier 21. Hanap lang kami ng gym para makapag-gym. Ay! Dito tayo. Kuya, look! Kuya!
Take mo na. Sa kanan.
Parang pork na ewan. What is that? Sorry. So guys, bumili kami ni Kuya Ronnie ng pork.
Ice cream.
So guys, napakain na naman kami ni Kuya Ronnie dito. So tingnan natin. Masarap siya. Ano lasa?
Parang patatim.
Oo, patatim. Guys, alam niyo busog pa kami, pero pag nandito ka sa Thailand, parang gusto mong kumain na kumain, no?
Gusto mo tikman lahat.
Yeah.
Ang biga!
So guys, tapos na kami sa Pier 21 at dami na pamili ni Kuya Ronnie. Ayan, shopping galore. No, Kuya Ronnie? Hey! So ngayon, so ngayon pupunta kami sa Soy Cowboy! Yeah, Soy Cowboy! So let's go! So nandito kami ngayon sa pinaka-center. So ayun ang Soy Cowboy and we're gonna go there. No, Kuya? Are you excited?
Oo.
Yeah. So shopping. So dito sa bandang area na ito medyo traffic. No?
Grabe no. Buti ambon lang.
Oh, buti hindi tayo nabuti ng ulan. Mashallah. There you go. Punta na kami sa Soy Cowboy. Soy Cowboy. Kaso hindi sila mga nakapanty pa. Maaga pa daw. Hindi pa sila nakalabas. Masyado ba maaga? Nakaka-panted bra lang yung mga tao dito. So hindi pa sila masyado nagbubukas. So guys, nandito kami sa Soy Cowboy. So medyo maaga pa. Kaya hindi kami pwedeng they're asking for money if they will just
Money, honey.
Yeah.
Give me some more money, honey.
That's crazy. Oh my god, that's crazy.